Hello, my friend. Let me ask you something. Have you ever listened to someone speak and instantly felt inspired? Maybe their voice was calm, confident, full of power, and you thought, wow, I wish I could speak like that. Well, guess what? You can, because speaking English like a leader is not about big words. It's about how you say them. In today's episode, I'll show you how to use your voice to sound clear, confident, and full of purpose. Whether you're talking to a friend, giving a presentation, or just practicing English every day, you can sound like a leader. So take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin your journey to speak English like a leader. The power of words. Let's talk about something truly powerful. Your words. Words are not just sounds. They are your energy. They are your voice in the world. When you speak, your words can lift someone up or bring them down. They can make someone smile or make them believe in themselves again. That's how powerful your voice is. Think about great leaders. They don't always speak fast. They don't use difficult English. They speak with heart. They pause. They breathe. They speak with confidence and kindness. That's what makes people listen. Not the accent, not the vocabulary, but the feeling behind every word. When you speak English, even slowly, your words have meaning. They show who you are. They show your thoughts, your emotions, your truth. So the next time you talk in English, don't worry about sounding perfect. Instead, focus on sounding real. Sound kind. Sound confident. Sound like you. Let's practice together. Say these lines with me, slowly and clearly. I speak with confidence. My words are strong and positive. I use my voice to inspire others. My words matter. My English matters. I matter. Beautiful. Do you feel that strength? That's your power. It's already inside you. Every time you speak English with courage, you're building that power a little more. So remember, don't just learn English. Live it. Feel it. Lead with it. The leader's English style. Now that you understand the power of words, let's talk about how to use them. Like a leader. Every great leader has a special way of speaking. It's not about using big English words. It's about using simple words powerfully. When a leader speaks, they don't rush. They don't hide. They take their time, and every word has purpose. So, how can you speak English like a leader? Let's start with some easy but powerful habits. Speak slowly. When you speak slowly, people listen carefully. Your words sound stronger and more confident. Pause with purpose. A short pause after an important word creates impact. It makes people feel your message. Use clear and short sentences. Leaders don't confuse their audience. They connect with them. Smile while you speak. A smile adds warmth to your voice. Even if people can't see you, they can feel your smile. Let's try something together. Listen closely and repeat after me, slowly. I don't rush my words. I speak clearly. I stay calm and confident. My voice is full of strength. My words inspire others. Beautiful. Now imagine this. You're talking to your team, your class, or your friends. Everyone is quiet. They're listening to you. Not because you're loud, but because you're clear. You speak with heart. You speak with confidence. That's what leaders do. They don't talk to impress. They talk to inspire. So from today, when you speak English, don't copy someone else's voice. Use your own voice. Make it strong. Make it calm. Make it kind. Because the best English speaker is the one who speaks with truth. Leadership practice session. All right, my friend, now it's your turn. This is your leadership speaking practice. It's time to use your voice and feel your confidence grow with every word. Find a quiet place. Sit or stand tall. Take a deep breath in, and let's begin. Repeat after me, slowly, clearly, and with feeling. I am confident. I am strong. I am calm. I am clear. Again, with more power this time. I am confident. I am strong. I am calm. I am clear. Now, let's go a little deeper. These are sentences a real leader might use every day. Repeat them with heart and believe your words. I believe in my ideas. I listen before I speak. I respect others with my words. I lead with kindness. I use my English to inspire, not to impress. Excellent. You see, when you say these words out loud, you train your mind and your voice. You're not just learning English. You're building confidence for life. So, repeat one more time with your full energy. My words have power. My voice matters. I am learning. I am growing. I am a leader. Beautiful job. Take a deep breath. Feel that calm strength inside you. That's your leader's voice. Steady, peaceful, confident. Keep practicing these lines every day. And soon, English will flow from you. Like a leader who knows their purpose, be the voice that inspires. Take one more deep breath. In and out. You did something amazing today. You didn't just listen. You spoke. You practiced. You used your voice. And that voice is stronger than you think. You see, leadership is not about being loud. It's not about being perfect. It's about being real. It's about speaking with kindness, with purpose, and with confidence. When you speak English with truth, people don't just hear your words, they feel your heart. That's what makes a true leader. So keep speaking, keep learning, keep growing. Even if your English isn't perfect today, every word you say takes you one step closer to the confident version of yourself you're becoming. Your mistakes are your teachers. Your practice is your power. And your voice is your gift to the world. Thank you for joining me today. Here on Linguaboost, your home for slow, confident English. If this episode inspired you, smile right now because you're becoming the leader you've always wanted to be. Remember, speak slowly, speak clearly, speak kindly, and never forget your words have power. This is your friend from Linguaboost saying, keep believing in yourself, keep speaking with heart, and keep shining through your words. See you in the next episode. Until then, stay calm, stay confident, and keep leading. With your voice,